Chocolate cream o cake. Today, I'm gonna make cream o cake in a pan. Super yummy and easy chocolate cake using 3 ingredients. The main ingredient is gonna be cream o vanilla cream-filled chocolate sandwich cookies.
In a bowl, put cream o, smash it or crushed the cream o. If you have a blender, much better.
Crushed cream o.
Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 cup of milk, then mix it until the powder is dissolved. Pour the cream o mixture in the pan. Cook it using mini charcoal stove. Place the pan on top of the mini charcoal stove and cover it. After cooking the chocolate cream o cake, place it on top of the liquid Milo and crushed cream o. In a cup, 24 grams of Milo, add 1 tablespoon hot water. The cake is so soft and it smells so good, just like cream o. It tastes so good with Milo for no oven in just 3 ingredients. Try this recipe, super yummy and easy to make at home. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Thank you. See you next time.